On 3rd of January, an annual consultative meet was conducted among senior citizens of Nilip, Law and Order, Nilip Media Corps, GB, SGB and social activists of the region at Chokihola Police Station. The annual meeting was an initiative of Chokihola Police Station led by Jugesh Chandra Dekha, OC, along with his staff. The focal points of the discussion includes eradications of drugs uses and drunk and rage riding of bikes among the youths, and also to avoid negative fames to Nilip. More than 50 people attended the event. Chokihola Police Station Chairman Elison Timung, Nilip Press Club President Samson Ingti, General Secretary Sonjit Kro, Devinson Be Samson Nayak, Koilamati Area SGB Lawrence Teron, SGB Wilson Kro and several dignitaries attended the meeting. Sonjit Kro's report from Chokihola and Samson Ingti reports from Koilamati for Karbi Anglong Live.